Are you tired of waiting ages for your table data to load in DBeaver? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to speed up fetching table data in your Oracle database. I completely understand your frustration. Waiting around for data to load can feel like watching paint dry. Many users face this issue, and it's a common concern when working with databases. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user mentioned that while their connection to the Oracle database and table properties view are working fine, fetching table data can take up to 50 seconds. Sound familiar? Let's explore some solutions together. So, what could be causing this slow data fetching? It could be due to various factors like network latency, inefficient queries, or even DBeaver settings. Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a fantastic tip at the end that can help you optimize your DBeaver experience even further. To improve the speed of fetching table data in DBeaver, the user should first check the fetch size setting. This setting controls how many rows are retrieved from the database at once. Next, the user should consider adjusting the connection settings. Specifically, enabling the option to use a direct connection can help speed up data retrieval. Another important step is to optimize the SQL query being used to fetch data. The user should ensure that the query is efficient and only retrieves the necessary columns. Additionally, the user can enable the option to fetch data in parallel. This can significantly reduce the time taken to retrieve large data sets. Finally, the user should consider increasing the memory allocated to DBeaver. This can help improve performance when handling large data sets. Fun fact, did you know that the speed of data transfer has increased exponentially over the years? Yet, we still find ourselves waiting for data to load. Let's make sure you're not stuck in the past. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests that slow data fetching in DBeaver might be due to a small array fetch size. They explain that the fetch buffer size is a memory setting that determines how many rows are returned in a single fetch. A low fetch size can lead to delays because it increases the number of network trips needed to retrieve data. They also mention that if the fetch size is too low, you might notice high wait times for SQL net message from client, indicating that the session is waiting for data from the client. This can be a sign of network latency or a slow client process. Here's that fantastic tip I promised. Regularly review and optimize your SQL queries. This simple habit can save you a lot of time and frustration in the long run. And there you have it. With these tips, you should see a noticeable improvement in your data fetching times in DBeaver. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.